Hello everyone, bringing up the next video for the Indian stock market for 26th May 2025. This reading is completely on the basis of Nifty 50 graph. Let's review our reading which we did for the 23rd before we start processing for the 23rd for the 26th May reading. On 23rd we said that the market will open on the positive side, and moreover whatever the closing was for the 22nd, the market उससे ऊपर की तरफ ही ओपन होगी. तो 22 तारीख को मार्केट 24,609 पे हुई थी एंड 23 तारीख को मार्केट जब ओपन हुई तो इट ओपन एट 24,639. हमने कहा था स्लो मूवमेंट होगा, अनएक्सपेक्टेड मूवमेंट होगा, डाउनवर्ड मूवमेंट भी होगा, बट नॉट as we are expecting up. So हमने एक मूवमेंट देखा एंड वो था अनएक्सपेक्टेड मूवमेंट. 10:34 के आसपास मार्केट वाज 24,753 एंड 10:58 पे ऑलमोस्ट 20-22 मिनट के अंदर market 24,909, which is an unexpected move. We did set for the afternoon that there will be a positivity, and that positivity that we could see was only at 11:30, which was of 24,900 approximately. Closing hours के लिए हमने कहा था दोनों तरफ की मूवमेंट्स हमें दिखाई देगी और रेंज बॉन्ड भी दिखाई देगा. रेंज बॉन्ड ऑलमोस्ट 1 घंटे के लिए था, विच वॉज एट 1:15 से स्टार्ट हुआ 2:35 तक. मार्केट 876 टू 24,876 टू 24,861 के बीच में ही मार्केट पूरा 1 घंटे के लिए घूमती रही. द अपर साइड मूवमेंट दैट वी कुड फाउंड वॉज 24,890, and the lower movement that we could find in the closing hours is 24,822. So from our interpretation we could say that we were almost 70% accurate. Now let's see what is there for the 26th May. Okay, so lots of actions are there, emotions are there. Okay, let's see. It's so surprising. I was shuffling my cards and this card fell down, and I again put up in my piles and reshuffled it. But this card was meant for 26 and it again came while doing the reading. Let us see what the cards are saying. Okay, so the cards are saying the market will open on the upper side as compared to the closing of 23rd May, but with not a very big spike. There will be downward movement maximum time. तो जो भी ओपनिंग है उसके बाद मार्केट नीचे की तरफ आएगी with multiple downward movements, and we might expect a good movement in the market, but cards are again showing a range bond in the market for the morning hours. Let's see what is there for the afternoon. The afternoon is again showing the range bond, even though this is on the positive side. So market एक बार ऊपर की तरफ आफ्टरनून टाइम पे मूवमेंट दिख रहा है with range bond and unexpected movement which will give a small positive spike. We will not be having a multiple, कहते हैं ना छोटे छोटे तो ग्राफ में बहुत सारे हमें मिलेंगे, बट प्रोमिनेंट एक स्पाइक जो होगा वो हमें सिर्फ एक ही दिखाई देगा विथ एन अनएक्सपेक्टेड मूवमेंट. Let's see what is there in the closing hours. The closing hours are showing both the movement of upward and the downward with a good jump. So जो भी upward movement आएगा उसमें भी जो रेंज गैप होगा अच्छा वाला होगा. सिमिलरली डाउनवर्ड मूवमेंट भी हमारा वैसे ही अच्छे रेंज में आएगा. Now if I have to compare which will be on a good side, I see that the upper movement should have more range gap whereas the lower side movement. So this is a reading from my side. I hope that my reading resonate with you. So kindly take what it resonate, rest leave it to the divine. So before I end up my video, I would like to do a disclaimer. I'm not a stock market broker, nor I have any stock market knowledge. I just read up the cards to understand how the Indian stock market is going to be on the very particular day. From my reading, I'm not suggesting anybody to do the trade. If you are doing, then that is completely on your own risk factor. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe this channel so that we get motivated to do more and more readings for you. And have a wonderful trading day ahead.